Noise is replaced by precision, and hard work gives way to innovation. Here comes a new level of construction and repair work. Its foundation is top-of-the-line tools that open up new horizons of convenience and efficiency for craftsmen. Work can be done not only with high quality, but also creatively. Let's see what dream tools are already on store shelves. Metal no longer dictates the terms. With Malco HC, you become the architect of perfect holes. The tool is available in several versions, covering holes with diameters from 1.97 to 1970 inches. And when the cutting part wears out, it can be easily replaced. The price of Malco HC is $140. This hand countersink from Wolfcraft is great for working with holes up to 0.75 inches in diameter in wood or plastic. The ergonomic handle with finger protection makes work not only precise but also safe. 3 cutting edges add speed, and the countersink costs $23. This pipe cutter from DeWalt can handle black metal pipes with a diameter of 1.7 inches, while also protecting the operator with a clever system. It monitors the pipe cutter's operation and shuts it down if it detects a jam. In addition, this model's battery is housed in a sealed compartment for better protection from lubricants and coolants. The pipe cutter costs $20. Plasterboard, wood, cast iron, structural steel. This bimetal ring saw can handle a very long list of materials. And thanks to its 0.37-inch shank, it will fit all drills and screwdrivers. The seller is confident. The cutting depth reaches 1.57 inches. The saw costs $20, and a 0.24-inch drill bit is included. The S-Class fish tape tool will be your faithful assistant when laying wires and cables. Its fiberglass cable, available in 118 or 140-foot lengths, can easily reach the most inaccessible places. 2 AA batteries provide 40 hours of operation. The tool can be purchased for $100. The Popeyes scraper is a lifesaver for craftsmen who often have to remove popcorn-style texture from ceilings. This unpleasant task becomes cleaner, faster, and easier. Simply connect Popeyes to a vacuum cleaner and adjust the blade position to perfectly clean the ceiling, even at the joints with the walls. The scraper costs $40. Sercel 2. Just one craftsman can accomplish a truly titanic amount of work. This lift is designed for installing windows and doors, and not only lifts 771 pounds, but also carefully tilts the load and optionally allows 360-degree rotation. These capabilities allow you to work as accurately as possible. Sercel 2 works smarter, not harder. Dremel Blueprint is a cordless tool with superpowers. It combines the capabilities of a drill and a screwdriver, delivering up to 800 RPM. It is equipped not only with a removable laser level, but also with a stud finder and LED lighting. The Dremel Blueprint costs $90. Leister Vacuum Plate 100 LP. A compact and easy-to-use device for detecting leaks in roofs and swimming pools. It is battery-powered, operates for up to 7 hours on a single charge, can be moved from place to place without turning it off, and is so light that it can be carried with one hand. Price? $1,000. Want to saw like a pro? If you use a cordless or corded saw from DeWalt, take note of the GRS 16 PED guide rail. It works perfectly with the tires that come with this American brand's saws. And because of that, it's easy to install on either side. The guide rail costs $180. Tired of cutting stubborn metal? Milwaukee is here to help. For $700, you can get this awesome cordless tool and cut through 0.11-inch thick stainless steel sheets. And the intelligent speed control system, powerful brushless motor, and chip bag will give you a great reason to get to work more often, just for the fun of it. WISO 2 is the first spray gun with dual laser support. The beams will show you where to paint, how far to hold the tool, and ultimately allow you not only to achieve a professional result, but also to save about 1/3 on paint. Working with the WISO 2 is like switching from a bow to a sniper rifle. The spray gun costs $99. The WN electric cultivator will become your personal agronomist. It will till the soil to a width of 1380 inches and a depth of 8 inches, turning weeding and weed control into a pleasure. Overload protection will protect the motor when it encounters stones or concrete. Perfect beds and flower beds without unnecessary hassle will become a reality. You can purchase the cultivator for $120. The Powerbuilt team sells this trio of tire levers. They are 9.84 to 11.8 inches long. The tools are shade of chrome vanadium steel and will be useful to professionals in a wide variety of fields. Service stations, construction sites, furniture workshops. Tire levers are useful everywhere. One set with unlimited possibilities. Price, $59. The Sparkfire Fusion Splicer is used for welding optical fiber. Unlike many similar devices, it is battery-powered. One charge is sufficient for 400 work cycles. The touchscreen with an intuitive menu allows you to quickly understand the settings. Built-in lighting helps when working in the dark, and the device's memory is sufficient for 20,000 records of splicing operations. The Joannelle SB1E kit is designed for bending and riveting. In other words, it allows the craftsman to quickly make a relief blank and bend it. It is assumed that the buyer already has a cordless screwdriver to which the kit is mounted. Optionally, a foot pedal can be purchased to further simplify the work. When nature declares war, it's time to call in the heavy artillery, namely the F200. It is the most powerful road dryer in the world. It battles puddles and snow at a speed of 310 miles per hour and doesn't back down even at 40 degrees. If you need to dry the road faster than the weather will allow, the F200 is an excellent option. The Preo mask system was designed for painters. It consists of a mask and a battery-powered filter unit that attaches to a belt. The system automatically regulates airflow and protects the wearer from organic and inorganic gases and vapors. In case of problems, the system activates visual, audible, and vibrating alerts. One charge lasts for 10 hours. The PRO mask costs $2,300. Introducing the NSRS 72E mobile scaffolding. It is 590 feet high and has a load capacity of 50 pounds. The position of the upper platform can be adjusted in 2-inch increments, making it easy to adapt to uneven floors. Protected locking pins prevent accidental disconnection. Strength, convenience, and control. That's what makes these scaffolding units an excellent choice. X-Tool Flexible Fixture, a universal clamp for the most challenging items. Made of durable stainless steel and aluminum, It will become an indispensable tool for laser engraving, especially when working with irregularly shaped objects. Now they will remain stationary even when positioned at unexpected angles. The fixture costs 100 The Ozavina Falcon. Automatic clamp is ideal for working with stone slabs between 0.60 and 2.95 inches thick. The clamping plates operate fully automatically, meaning that workers do not need to risk their hands. Soft rubber pads guarantee flawless surface protection. The gripper can hold up to 2,000 pounds and costs $1,000. This attachment turns a drill into a cutter. The seller recommends using it at speeds ranging from 600 to 3,000 RPM and markets it as a universal option for cutting a variety of materials, from plastic and laminate to aluminum and stainless steel. It is also widely compatible, working with cordless, mains-powered, and pneumatic drills. The attachment costs $200. StackTech is a modular and highly flexible tool storage system. Customers can choose from 3 boxes, small, medium, and large, as well as all-terrain wheels with a diameter of 9 inches and a removable telescopic handle, similar to that of a suitcase. IP65 protection keeps the contents of the boxes safe from dust and rain, and StackTech has reinforced locks and steel corners for extra reliability. The system costs $455. This cordless diamond drilling unit embodies uncompromising power. On a single charge, it can drill 4 9.80-inch diameter holes in reinforced concrete with a maximum diameter of up to 13.80 inches. The intelligent RedLink Plus system protects against overload, and the modular design makes work quick and convenient. The unit costs $2,820. MP133 Orange Nepi, a true myth-buster when it comes to demolition. With 1,140 blows per minute, it turns concrete into dust and rivets and bolts into memories. Weighing only 30.80 pounds, the tool does not overload the hands of workers. However, it is compatible with fairly large chisels, making it quite versatile. The tool costs $1,108. Chief Arcute will sharpen even the dullest knife to razor sharpness in just 3 minutes. This sharpener is designed for home use and features a solid diamond stone. The sharpening angle can be adjusted from 10 degrees to 30 degrees, and it can sharpen up to 1,000 knives. The Chief Arcute costs $2. Forget about struggling with bricks. This tool, working in tandem with a hammer, doesn't just cut, it slices masterfully. No chipping or frustration, just a perfectly smooth cut that makes a bricklayer's daily routine a little easier. Here's the key to flawless masonry. This spatula was clearly inspired by the Swiss Army knife. Just think, 14 tools in one. Among them are wrenches, a nail puller, a bottle opener, a notch for cleaning paint rollers, and even a can opener. Do you like this kind of versatility? Write your thoughts in the comments. RemsReg removes burrs from pipe edges. One version of this tool is suitable for use with plastic, steel, copper, brass, and aluminum. It is suitable for diameters from 0.31 to 1 inches and is sold for $70. This tool from Wolfcraft is a must-have for craftsmen who work with baseboards on a regular basis. First, it allows you to measure and transfer angles from 85 degrees to 180 degrees, and then acts as a cutting stand. Built-in guide pins for a handsaw ensure accuracy and precision. The tool can be purchased for This angle grinder has a speed of 12,000 RPM and works with 4-inch diameter discs. These are easy to change, as the developers have designed a button to lock the spindle. The machine can easily smooth welded seams and remove burrs, and costs $670. Festool specialists have developed a cordless eccentric sander with a built-in LED ring, suitable for one-handed operation. The price is not low, $608, but it offers great capabilities. Without accessories, the machine weighs only 2.6 pounds, and its compact, ergonomic body makes it convenient for sanding in tight spaces and even overhead. The US Saws series is changing the way we work with sewer manholes. The system features magnetic lifters that will appeal to private, commercial, and municipal customers alike. After all, lifting manholes without risking your back is a great thing. The simple model, resembling a cane, lifts 24 pounds and costs $3. The top-of-the-line model on wheels is ready for a load of 899 pounds, but will cost $2,000. Milwaukee is lighting up the cordless vacuum cleaner market. This beauty runs on 2 batteries for 78 minutes and is ready to tackle not only concrete dust and sawdust, but also wet cleaning. Want to buy a hurricane of power in a compact body weighing just 39 pounds? Then get ready to shell out $1,000. The Shepak D100 takes on the mess. This machine works with 19-gallon bags and comes with a 6-foot flexible hose. Chips and fine dust, typical of sanding, don't stand a chance, especially with the set of adapters that allow the chip extractor to be connected to a variety of saws, milling machines, and other tools. The machine costs $210. With the Pexo exoskeleton, heavy tasks become easier in the truest sense of the word. This exoskeleton supports the arms, thereby relieving strain on muscles and joints. As a result, working with your arms above your shoulders or head becomes much more comfortable. The exoskeleton weighs about 440 pounds and can be put on and taken off in 20 seconds. This stripper is the surgeon among insulation removal tools. 3 cutting options, longitudinal, spiral, and circular, allow you to perform operations of any complexity. The cutting depth reaches 0.12 inches and can be adjusted with an accuracy of 0.04 inches. You can purchase the stripper for $100. Woodpeckers Power is a versatile tool for any workshop. This tool is advertised as the most powerful in its class, equipped with a 24-volt brushless motor and compatible with a huge range of bits, drill bits, and other accessories available on the market. Woodpeckers Power screws, drills, grinds, and polishes. In short, it replaces an entire arsenal of tools. The company is expected to launch on Kickstarter very soon. Accuracy is everything to us. That means the TW 2.2 beam-type torque wrench is a reliable tool. It is great for working with fasteners such as crankshaft bolts from retaining rings. It offers a tightening torque of up to 44 feet lb and does not disappoint in either left-hand or right-hand threads. The wrench costs $47. With the support of the Stihl HTA 135 cordless pole pruner, it is very convenient to deal with branches without climbing a ladder. Thanks to its telescopic pole, it extends up to 13 feet, and a fully charged battery guarantees 45 minutes of operation. The pole pruner is splash-proof to IPX4 standard and costs around $800. Arctic Haze presents its smallest pipe freezing kit. It allows you to perform plumbing work without shutting off or draining the water. In 10 minutes, you can get started. The kit is suitable for plastic, steel, copper, and some other pipes with a diameter of 0.3 to 0.6 inches and costs $29. Please note that it is disposable. The Bosch Easy Cut 12 cordless mini saw performs well when working with wood and plastic. Thanks to nanoblade technology, cutting is vibration-free. A cutting depth of up to 250 inches allows you to tackle a wide range of tasks, and the quick change blade system saves time. The saw costs $202. This machine helps with pulling. One worker is sufficient to maintain a speed of 98 feet per minute. The machine can be loaded directly from the reel. Stability is ensured by an adjustable stop. The machine costs $9,700. DWT manufactures tools and machines for working with pipes. In particular, it offers clamps like these. They are compatible with pipes up to 48 inches in diameter and are used for centering and tack welding. Two grippers with a total weight of 5 pounds, and now two craftsmen are already becoming superheroes of stonework, lifting slabs weighing up to 485 pounds. Compact, lightweight, no batteries or rechargeable batteries, these grippers are simple but extremely effective. Klauk has combined powerful jaws, a practical battery, a comfortable handle, and environmental friendliness. The result is an electro-hydraulic tool that can handle cables and aluminum steel cores with a diameter of up to 0.82 inches without harming the environment thanks to its biodegradable oil. The tool costs $339. The Ibenstock DBE-162 is a versatile diamond drill bit that can handle even the toughest materials. With a power output of 2.2 kilowatts, no conversion needed, it can handle reinforced concrete, stone, and asphalt, creating holes with a diameter of up to 6 inches in wet mode and up to 70 inches in dry mode. The drill is equipped with temperature control and an indicator that activates in case of overload. Price $2,070. The multi-rest rest is designed to help craftsmen who work with woodworking lathes. For $500, the developers offer an excellent balance of convenience and versatility. The basic version of the rest is designed to work with parts up to 11 inches in diameter, while the advanced version can handle parts up to 18 inches in diameter. The unique two-part design allows the multi-rest to be opened quickly. The ARES wrench is designed to work with oil filters ranging from 2.50 to 320 inches in diameter. Chromium molybdenum steel with a nickel-plated finish makes it durable and sturdy. Watch how skillfully the master works with it in the video, and the wrench is worth it. Only 20. This pneumatic hammer is a metalworking virtuoso. It is used, in particular, in the assembly of ventilation ducts and with 4,500 strokes per minute, turns the settling of corner seams into a perfectly smooth process. The hammer starts automatically when it touches the metal sheet, and the maintenance kit included in the delivery simplifies tool maintenance.